Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer time tracking from Toggl to Harvest using Zapier step by step clearly. To transfer time tracking from Toggl to Harvest using Zapier, you will first need to create a Zapier account if you don't have one. Log into your Zapier account. Click on the Make a Zap button to start the process. Select Toggl as the trigger app. Choose the new time entry trigger event. Connect your Toggl account to Zapier by following the prompts. Choose the Toggl workspace you want to track time from. Test the trigger to ensure it captures a new time entry successfully. Next, select Harvest as the action app. Choose the Create Time Entry action event. Connect your Harvest account to Zapier by following the prompts. Map the necessary fields from Toggl to Harvest. For example, map the time entry description from Toggl to the description field in Harvest. Map the duration of the time entry accurately. Select the project in Harvest where the time entry should be logged. Optionally, you can also map tags or clients from Toggl to Harvest. Once all the fields are mapped, click on Test Action to check if everything is working correctly. Review the test results to make sure the time entry appears in Harvest. If the test is successful, name your Zap for easy identification. Finally, toggle the Zap to on to activate the integration between Toggl and Harvest. Your time tracking data will now automatically transfer from Toggl to Harvest whenever a new time entry is created. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.